Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Bentgo brand. They're 20-piece, lightweight, durable, reusable, BPA-free, and no black plastic. We're going to explain why that's important. One compartment containers. They're microwave, freezer, dishwasher safe. This is the white version. You can see the colors right there. This is the package it came in. It was sealed in plastic. There's over 12,000 excellent customer ratings on this product. And it has these unique pull-off tabs that we're going to show on the corner right there, which is nice. Now the reason I mentioned black plastic is my other containers were the black type like this. They may look stylish, but I would highly recommend you avoid them. Most of this plastic comes from the electronics recyclable industry, and it could be an issue. So avoid black plastic at all costs. These are great because they're not black plastic. Let's open these up and take a look at them. And here they are opened up, and you can see how nice they are. They're very high quality. I love the color. It's kind of a cream color, not white, and they're very rigid. So they have a decent amount of plastic around the edges there. They're just really nice quality. And the covers, which I mentioned earlier, are very nice quality also. These are microwave safe, but the covers are not, so make sure you take the covers off. You see the way this goes on here, really nice. It locks in place. Then it has a pull tab. And that's so nice because so many times you break your nail trying to remove them. So now you have a usable pull tab on there. So I'm impressed at this product. I've gotten these before. These last a really long time. Even if you abuse them, they last a long time. So what do I think about the Bentgo brand? There's 20-piece, lightweight, durable, reusable, BPA-free, no black plastic, one compartment containers. And again, they're microwave, freezer, dishwasher safe, and it's beautiful off-white cream color with the pull tab. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating.